Hi everyone, it's Mo again. Let's check to see what we have in the fridge today. Some jackfruit and cream. Let's make some jackfruit ice cream. First thing, we're gonna chop our jackfruit. Let's try to blend to see what it's like. So I have something like this. Blend it for 5 seconds, speed 5. I'm gonna save some of these to mix in as a chunk. I saved this much. So this one, I already increased the speed, but because I really want my puree to be super smooth, so I'm gonna change to blend in here with the hand blender. Okay, I think I have a pretty good puree in here. Let's cook this down, so to make sure that all the water content evaporates. I'm gonna experiment today without adding any sugar. We see how it goes. On sort of like medium heat, it's very sticky. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, transfer it into a plate to cool down. Let's mix our jackfruit with some of the cream. Some pasty thing like this. Yep. Of jackfruit and cream. I already put my Thermomix in the freezer beforehand. It's actually still quite cool. It smells good. This is the whisk. Insert the butterfly into my Thermomix. Peel cream, 500 grams. Vanilla. We don't want to over whip it. Here's the mixture. Perfect. Remember the meat from earlier? Let's fold it in. Give it a 5 seconds mix. My ice cream machine is here. Let's transfer the mixture into the ice cream machine. So this is our mixture looks like in here. Okay, very thick. Pop this one in. Or else we're not gonna have any ice cream at the end of the clip.
Mình làm rất là ngon nhỉ. Mình làm ngon quá.
Okay, stop it. Stop. Now, stop.
Oh.
One more. Okay. Okay, let's scoop the mixture out. It has to be thick like this.
Nice. Now stop talking, sweetie. Stop talking, okay. We're doing some video. Now, my wife doesn't know that I've actually come and got to this before she's done her tasting. And it's too damn desirable, so I would like to try some first.
It's only like what, 20 minutes in the fridge and my husband has already eat all of these. Well, husband. Well. It hasn't even had an opportunity to set yet. It hasn't even frozen. It's just like literally pasty. A jackfruit whipped cream. It's good. Oh, I like the chunk here.
Ngon.
Oh, so nice and refreshing, and it's nothing like eating jackfruit alone at all.
Yeah.
It's really nice. And given that we make this one with frozen jackfruit, we thaw it, we make it. Okay, stop. No more, because this is really addictive. Addictive! Very good.
Ngon.
Pretty happy with the result actually. No.
Yeah. No.
Really on.